In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to sending a polished newsletter to your audience. Let's start right inside Mailchimp. On your main dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where every new campaign begins. Click Create, then choose Regular Email. This tells Mailchimp you're building a standard email campaign, which is perfect for newsletters. Next, we need to choose who will receive your newsletter. You'll see a section labeled To. Click Add Recipients. Here, you'll select the audience or list you want to send this newsletter to. Make sure you choose the correct list, especially if you have multiple audiences. Once you've selected it, click Save. Take a quick moment to double-check that you've got the right group because this is who will actually get your email. Now, move on to the Subject section. Click Add Subject. This is where you type in the subject line your subscribers will see in their inbox. Try to keep it clear and specific so people know what they're opening. You may also see a preview text field, which you can use to add a short teaser that appears next to the subject in many email clients. When you're happy with it, click Save. With the basics in place, it's time to design your email. In the Design section, click Design Email. Mailchimp will show you a variety of layouts and templates. Look for and select the newsletter template. This template is set up specifically for newsletter-style content, with sections for headlines, images, and text blocks. Once the template loads, you'll be in Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor. This is where you customize everything. Click on any text block to edit the wording and use the toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, or alignment. Click on image blocks to replace sample images with your own, either by uploading new files or choosing from your content library. You can drag new blocks into the layout or remove ones you don't need. As you work, Mailchimp usually auto-saves, but when you're finished, click Save and Exit to lock in your design. Before sending, you'll see a review screen with a checklist. Mailchimp uses this to show whether you've completed all the key items, like recipients, subject line, and content. Look for green check marks next to each section. If anything is missing or flagged, click into that area and fix it. Once every item has a green check mark and you're satisfied with your newsletter, you're ready to send. Click Send to make your newsletter go live immediately and deliver it to your selected audience.